friends, today we will solve Geek for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem will be array sum of array. So now check the problem. Given an array of n integers, your task is to print the sum of all of the integers. So n equals to 4, length of array equals to 4. So elements of array are 1, 2, 3, 4. So the sum of these element is 10. So output will be 10. Now we check the second example. So length of array is 6. So element of array are these. Now output is 93. So we write the code for this problem. First we take long variable sum equals to initialize with 0. Now we iterate on whole array using int I equals to 0, I greater than n, I plus plus. Now we sum equals to sum plus array of I. Now we simply return the value of sum. Return sum. Now compile and run. So the compilation is successful and program has been run. Now we submit and check all test cases. All the test cases has been successfully passed. So if you want C, C++ and Python code, then you can check description. Thank you.